Ko taia mai te rohi, ngā te rangi, ngā te kiriahi, ngā te mau, te uri taniwha, ngā te hini ira, ngā te korohui, ngā te rāhire, te tahawai, te whānau whero, ngā hapu, ko ngā toke mata whāorua, te waka, ngā puhi nui tonu te iwi, ko pera whiretu karaka ara Bella Clark toku whaia, ko ngā wati heke toku mātua, ko tānia heke ahau. My influences really started with my art practice when I think about working in drama, was while I was studying at Akopai, because in those days there was a teachers' college up here in Wellington, and also at Victoria University. And at Akopai, Auntie Kiri Ka was there, Roma Potiki, Iri Hapiti Ramsden. And those three women from that time, I think, really formed the basis for me being quite interested in drama. My true passion, the real reason that I do what I do, is because of my arts practice, which as an arts practitioner is an actor and a director and a producer, or as my mum would say, that bossy one. I love being an actor. I really love it. I love the ability to stand in somebody else's shoes and tell their story. So often when I stand in those shoes, I'm retelling the story, their story, through my eyes, but as a different platform. That sounds quite complicated. But I'm lucky because I have all this whakapapa that I can bring with me. So it helps inform the work that I do all of the time. I think we're so lucky because we're never on our own, even when we want to be. Nancy and I, in 2013, made our own theatre company called Hāpai Productions. At the core of it were our values, Māori values, tikana. And Nan's vision also was very clear too, that as much as possible we were able to tautoko mana wahine. She was really big on that. And I'm really grateful to her for doing that. I've come back as the tumuake here at Toi Whakaari. The opportunity to come here is driven by actually one of the most important kaupapa for me, is to provide the opportunity for our people to fulfill their dreams. Toi Whakaari is like, it's the nest really, where they can go on and learn all the skills that they need to be able to go out and fulfill their destiny.